crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today we are making a birthday card with the new Rockstar kit from Designs by Reminisce. Stay tuned! I want to make a birthday card for my brother-in-law, and he's kind of a rock star, so I thought this paper would be perfect for him. I apologize for my froggy voice. I have a little bit of a cold, so I'm just trying to do my best here. But this is a really cool kit. It is called Rockstar, and it's by Designs by Reminisce. And I'll just show you a little bit of the artwork on here. And you do get 2 pages of each style, and they are double-sided. And some of it I've cut up already for the card. And you also get a sticker sheet, which we're going to use today, the Happy B-Day. Put that to the side. You have some cut-aparts. I think this is all the stuff I'd cut. Alright, so on with the show. Anyway, so what I have here, some things I already cut, is I have Gina K black Onyx to make my card base. I took a piece of this with the stars and cut that out. I have a cut apart, and this is Gina K red velvet, and this is a perfect match for that. So we're going to put this on here, and then I have the inside panel, which we will put the stickers on, and I have the branding strip for that, so we can put that on the side. First I wanted to distress this a little bit. This is the Holtz paper distresser. So I wanted to kind of rough this up a little bit. And then I'm going to do a little ink blending around the edges to kind of cover up that white core of the paper. Okay, just clean this up. You get a bunch of little like fuzzies, fuss duzzies. Oh my god, dust fuzzies. Good times. Anyway, I'm going to use the Gina K black Onyx ink to do the edges, and I have a Gina K blending brush here. Okay, just wipe this up. That's why I love my glass mat. You just wipe it right off, no problem. Alright, so we have this piece. I'm going to attach this to this with my tape runner. Put this on here. So super easy so far. Then we'll just put this on the card base. Okay, there we go. Now we can work on the inside of the card. Alright, so for the inside of the card, let's see. I want to use one of the stickers. I want to use the branding strip on this. I think I want to use the Happy B-Day. Alright, so I think I'm just going to glue this on here. I was actually going to use my double-sided tape, but it is not in my craft room right now, so glue it is. And then once that's on there, you can just snip off the extra. Okay. And then let's see. Looking, there's some music notes and stuff on here, so I think I'll put that on too. Let's see. I don't know. Might need to have the lightning bolt. Actually, I'm going to do the star. Alright, so this is a pretty simple card to make. I will write my message and then I will put it inside. I like to do panels on the inside because I always mess up when I write, and then I just have to recreate this and not have to redo the whole card. So anyway, so this is our inside panel. And this is our front of the card, which I think turned out pretty awesome. So yeah, I will put everything I used today in the description box. I do have affiliate links. Join me over on Facebook. I post videos, cards, any crafty sales I come across, so it's a good resource to you. If you found value in today's video, I'd appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a subscriber. And until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and take care. Bye-bye. Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.